Listen, if you're an Amazon seller, this is the place to be. I'm going to be sharing with you how we have our sellers at all stages of their game really massively impact what they're doing and increase their profitability and scalability, okay? And so here we really break down the difference between everybody else and us here at Rank 1, because everyone else is going to be 99% of sellers. These are going to be your gurus. These are going to be the people on YouTube. These are going to be your basic tactics, okay? While us at Rank 1, Zan, who's our founder, has done an extremely good job of going through, sifting out the highest advanced information, seeking out the highest level masterminds, breaking down Amazon's algorithm, and teaching you guys how to actually build your business so that it's ready for a 7-8 figure level, right? And so the way we break it down is pretty simple here. Just a couple quick points for you guys. These are the 99% and this is the top 1%, right? So first we'll start with sourcing. 99% of people are going to be getting their product from Alibaba, and this is why they really don't see the results that they want, because they're following a typical method, and a typical method is going to breed typical results. So if you're on Alibaba, you're going to quickly realize that all of the companies there are trading companies, they're intermediaries, Alibaba's making a fee, so you're going through a couple layers before you get your product. It's not the true manufacturer. Whereas here at Rank 1, what we'll be doing is we have direct global relations. We teach you guys how to build these so that you guys can save 20 to 40% off of your bottom line right away. So what is that going to do? That's going to allow you to spend more to actually break even, build your customers, and get your initial ranking and sales, right? So number 2 is ranking. All the gurus, all the people on YouTube, they're talking about PPC and giveaways. These are expensive methods, and chances are you're going to run yourself out of business before you're at a place where your organic rankings are taking over and your organic sales are really taking over. So what we do here is we have a multi-channel algorithmic approach. We're feeding Amazon's algorithm exactly what it's looking for so that we have that edge, we have that differentiator, and we can really, set ourselves apart. It's efficient and it's a rare tactic as well. Lastly is customer acquisition. A lot of people wonder why they can't take their business from 6 to 7 figures or 7 to 8 figures easily. And the reason that is because they've built no customer acquisition. I tell everybody all the time that Amazon is the greatest front end there is known to man, because there's so much traffic and customer there where we can acquire those customers. But if you're not capturing their information, talking to them, building that relationship, getting reviews and remonetizing, you're leaving tons of money, ranking, and potential on the table. And this is really why here at Rank 1, we have advanced customer lead gen systems. Teach you guys how to implement these into your business. We actually give you the exact SOPs and the support to make sure that you implement it correctly. So if you want that edge, you want to be part of the top 1%, go ahead, click the button below, watch the free training, apply, and if you're a good fit, you'll be able to book with our team, and we look forward to seeing if we can help you, and if you can be part of the 250 Amazon sellers that we've helped profitably and successfully scale to the top page of Amazon. Look forward to see you on the inside.